Hey, I just finished Chinese acupressure massage here, and it's at the mall. There's this massage therapy place. I come here like once a month. And I just got off the table, and dude, they take their elbows, like everything, like in your neck, dude. They crack your back, but they hit all these acupressure points, and so I come in here when I'm like in total pain and locked up, like anxious, and then you walk out like, oh, because what it does is it frees the meridians in your body, and these acupressure points allow chi energy to flow again. So if you're locked up, like right now, my back is so locked up. It was, they don't play, dude. This is not like a pleasure massage. This is like it's excruciatingly painful, and I just lay there and deal with it. And they stick their fingers in the tendons and in the joints and manipulate. But anyways, my point of making this video was my mentor, Scotty. He said he gets massages regularly, and as an entrepreneur, it's an investment into your body, into your business, into your health. I'm like, dude, bullshit. You're going and you're getting massages and blowing money. That's what I was thinking from my poverty mentality back then. You're just spoiling yourself. I never had a massage before, and now I get regular massages, and it makes me money, and I will do it forever. So I would encourage you to think about it, because what we do for a living is very physical. If you go and get a massage once a month and it costs you 40, 50, 60, 70 bucks, whatever it is, and it's an actual acupressure massage, and you experience what I'm talking about, the release in tension and stress allows you to be more calculated, because you're not locked up and stuck in your body, stuck in the pain. I've literally walked in here in total pain and anxiety, and then walked out feeling so relieved. I feel like a brand new person, and was able to perform better. So it's all about maintaining and take care of your body. So you get the point. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. So try it out and let me know. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever done it. All right. Peace.